Aakyat tayo sa Acropolis of Athens. Bago tayo pumasok, dito pa lang sa labas masisilayan ang Temple of Athena Nike. Nike was the goddess of victory. Sa labas pa lang ng gate, makikita mo na ang maraming turista. Tara, pasok na tayo!
Did you play with Legos as a young child?
Yes.
If you look up, you can see this small part.
Yes, like Lego bricks.
This is the inspiration for Legos.
Dito pala na-inspire ang Lego. At ito ang pinakasikat na ancient building dito sa Acropolis, ang Parthenon. Ang Parthenon ay ang city treasury noong 5th century BC. Ang ganda, no? Ano kayang tinitingnan nila doon sa baba ng flagpole? Puntahan natin. At ito ang makikita. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll be notified to our next upload, or share to your other social media accounts. Thanks for watching.